This is downtown Eureka, right in front of Joe McCarty's. Joe stayed dry. A little bit of groundwater, that's about it. They got the old systems going right nice. This year's efforts saved a lot of Eureka. I'm staying under cover because it's raining right now. You see where the pumps are draining out and everything? That bucket there is at the end of the wood pump line. The water's down a good 1.5 feet so far. So, Eureka fared very well in the business district. No, very minimal business damage to the main street of Eureka. That's a good thing.